Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Sip It Out. Today, I'm excited to share a gluten-free dessert recipe that is as beautiful as it is delicious. These mini Pavlovas with their delicate and crunchy meringue base topped with tangy lemon curd and fluffy whipped cream offer a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. I will also show you how to make these beautiful lemon and cream swirls at the end of the video. So follow me to the kitchen and let me show you how you can create these stunning mini Pavlovas in your own kitchen. First thing first, let's preheat the oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place a sheet of parchment paper on your work surface and trace 2-inch circles using a pastry cutter and pencil. Space the circles as evenly as possible and make sure to flip the parchment over before placing it on the baking sheet. Set it aside while we work on the meringue with these 5 simple ingredients. You will only need the egg whites for this portion of the recipe, but make sure to save the yolks for later when we make the lemon curd. Using a stand mixer or handheld mixer, beat the egg whites on high until it gets frothy. Add the cream of tartar and continue beating. Next, gradually add the sugar, a tablespoon or so at a time, while continuing to beat. Lastly, add the vanilla extract followed by cornstarch, then beat on high until stiff, glossy peaks form. The entire process should take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the meringue is ready to be baked, I will show you 2 different ways of forming these nests. First, by simply spooning it onto the prepared baking sheet. I like to use a cookie dough scooper for this, but you can just use a spoon. You will then make a slight indentation in the center of each mound using a smaller spoon. Another method is to use a piping bag with a star tip to pipe the circles. Make sure that the outer walls are higher to provide enough space for that delicious filling later. Now we are ready to put them in a preheated oven for 75 minutes. Then turn off the oven and let the meringues cool completely inside with the door closed. While they're baking, let's prepare the filling by first juicing and zesting a lemon. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, making sure that the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. This double boiler method allows the egg yolks to cook very slowly and gently, preventing them from curdling. From here, keep stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and coats the back of a spoon. You're looking for a texture similar to a hollandaise sauce. At this point, turn off the heat and stir in the butter until smooth. Then place a piece of plastic wrap directly on top and let it cool completely in the fridge. Okay, we've been doing a lot of whisking for this recipe, but there is one last whipping to do, and that is for making the whipped cream. Simply mix together the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract and beat it on medium speed until stiff peaks form. At this point, the meringues should be nice and dry, ready to be filled with a dollop of lemon curd, then topped with a generous spoonful of whipped cream. For an extra touch of elegance, garnish with fresh berries and mint. If you are feeling a little more fancy and up for a challenge, stick around till the end of the video, where I will show you how to pipe the lemon and cream swirls like this. There you have it. These elegant mini Pavlovas are perfect for any celebration or just a fancy treat for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes and baking tips. I will be enjoying this with a glass of iced tea, but let me know in the comments below what you are sipping with your Pavlovas. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. Until next time, cheers!